In this video, I'll show you how to replace text in any image using Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Zoom in on the image so you can work properly. Select the lasso tool and carefully select the text you want to remove. Once selected, right-click and choose Content Aware Fill. Check the preview to make sure it fills correctly, then click OK. This removes the original text and gives you a clean base to work with. Next, select the Type tool and type your new text. Choose a font similar to the original and adjust the size. Press Ctrl-T to transform the text. Rotate and scale it so it roughly matches the original placement. Because the image has perspective, right-click while transforming and choose Skew. Adjust the text to match the angle of the image. To fully match the perspective, right-click the text layer and rasterize it. Press Ctrl-T again, right-click, and choose Distort. Adjust the corners so one side is slightly larger than the other, creating depth. Fine-tune the position until it looks natural. And that's it! You've successfully replaced text in an image using Photoshop. You can change the text anywhere, like t-shirts, hoodies, or any other design. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.